In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Canva Magic Morph tool. So this Magic Morph tool helps you to transform your text element into something extraordinary. Just like you are seeing on the screen here, this wow is transformed to this. So I'll be showing you how to do this using your mobile phone. So to get the Canva Magic Morph tool, open your Canva app, click on the menu icon, click on apps, you can search for morph, or you just click on AI powered and you will see morph tool, magic morph. You click on it, then you use in existing design or you use in a new design. Another way to use Canva morph tool is by opening the project you want to use the morph tool in. So you go to your projects, existing design, or you open a new project. So let's select this. So assuming this is the design I want to use the morph tool on, what I will do is I will click on this plus icon. I will scroll to the left. You will see apps here. Under apps, you tap on apps, then you select the tool you want to use. You're going to see Magic Morph here and other apps. If you don't see it, you just search for morph or search for the name of the app you are looking for, Magic Morph, and you click it. So you select the one you want, and there you go. So the first step is to select the element in your design that you want to turn into morph. Then you describe the look. So just pull this down a little. When you pull it down, so let's try to morph this word course. So I've selected course. You can see it's appearing here. So I'm going to select this balloon. I'll click on Magic Morph. Let's see what happens. Let's allow it to load. Can you see we have 4 different designs? So you select anyone you want by tapping on it. Let's tap on this. Then you come back to your screen. Can you see it here? So you can drag it and you can use it to replace this. Wow, this is cool. So depending on what you want to do, you can play around with the morph tool and use it to beautify your font or your text based on what you are working with. So the more you play around with these tools, the more you get better. So this is how the morph tool works. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video and drop a comment.